In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller to your PC. So to be able to actually connect it to your PC, we need to make sure that the controller itself is set to like Bluetooth mode right here, as you can see. So this one right here needs to be switched on to the left here where you can see the Bluetooth symbol. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the Bluetooth symbol is right here. Now what we're going to do on our PC so just click right here and then click on the Bluetooth right here and then click on add a Bluetooth device. And then click on add device right here, as you can see, and then click on Bluetooth. So we're just going to now wait. We can click on show all devices right here. So another thing that we need to do as well is to click on this button right here on the controller, this actually. So just click so that you actually turn on the controller. And now we're going to scroll down and here it is, as you can see, the 8BitDo Ultimate 2 wireless controller. It says connected right here, and if I scroll down, oh yeah, here it is, as you can see. So yeah, now it is connected to my PC, and that is basically exactly how you can actually do this.